Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall the BeautifulSoup library. So in order to uninstall the BeautifulSoup library from your system, we will be using the VS Code. So after you have opened the VS Code, head on to the VS Code terminal and type in the following command, which is pip uninstall BeautifulSoup 4. Once you have typed in this command, hit the enter button to initiate the process of uninstallation. It will ask you for a confirmation. So what you're gonna need to do is type in Y and then again hit the enter key. Once you will do this, you can see this message which says successfully uninstalled Beautiful Soup 4 version 4.13.3. So that's how easy it is to uninstall the Beautiful Soup 4 from your system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.